Pokemon Brilliant Start booster box. Let's see what we're going to catch in there. So there is a chase for Charizard 112, and there's a shiny Charizard. Looks like there's a ball for 25, and there's more Charizards. So there's quite a few cards that is really valuable, like this V. Hopefully we'll get that one. So a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, will we catch Charizard? Let's find out. So that's a display box. Let's open it up. Goes up like this. Flip it over. Beautiful. We'll go from one side to the other side. See which half will get more pulls. This is from 2022. Okay, first one we have a hit and a holo. We'll take that all day. See if we're going to get 2 hits in a row. Is Charizard still the most popular Pokemon, or is it Embryon or the other one? I know the Charizards and the... I think I pulled 5 cards by mistake. Charizards and a Squirtle is still the most popular cards that people collect. Pikachu, obviously. Let me know in comments below which Pokemon do you guys collect by itself, or is it only sets? I know there's people only collect one Pokemon, like only Charizards, only Pikachus. Oh, Charizard V! It came in early. I'll take it. Not the best one, but I will take it. This is awesome. Alright, will we have more than one Charizard? I feel like, why not? We probably could do it. Let's hit a better one. That's a good Charizard too. Any Charizard, honestly, is awesome to hit. Even if it's just like a regular holographic. Oh my gosh, this thing is full of hits. Oh, there's a trainer card. Oh, that is awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, white code card. Also, I want to see how many white border code cards we're going to hit on versus black border code cards. Like, white border code cards have not been that lucky for me. It's so funny, but you know. Let's get black border code card. Let's see. Oh, nice. Just a holo. Still better than non-holo, like just one reverse holo. White. Okay, let's see what we'll get here. Nothing. I'm still already pretty happy with a couple of hits over here. It's funny how it's like every other one almost. Reverse, nothing. Alright, we're going with the white borders for a while now. Will we hit anything on those? Let's find out. Ooh, nice. That's a good one. VMAX, full art. Nothing behind there. So we keep getting some good hits for sure. Good pulls. We have 4 pulls. And it don't matter what card it is today, because both getting pulls. Okay, keep on going. Okay, black border card. Let's see what will happen here. Nice. Ooh, that's a good hit. This is a really popular card. That is so far like probably the best hit so far. I will take that. I will take 2 of them if they can give me 2. I can't believe we had what, 6 pulls already. Nice. That's good. It is a booster box, a better one. Looks like definitely a lucky one. Ooh, another hit. Whoops, pulled to what's behind there. Just a hollow but trainer, which is nice. Okay, so we'll take that. That's also good. Whole bunch of pulls over here. I like this set. Will we hit a Charizard? Reverse. Okay, nothing. What do we have, like 4 or 5 packs left on this half? Already happy with some of the pulls for sure. Nothing. Okay, 3 more packs left and then we're halfway. Blood border card. Let's see, I might peek into it. Ooh, we're going to have something. It's black border. I don't know. Will it be something epic? Probably V card. Ooh, Pikachu. That is a really good pull right here. That is also a nice pull. Almost as good as this one. Wow. Getting some awesome pulls for sure. Black border back to back. Let's see. I feel like I am hitting on a black border code cards a bit more. I don't know if it means anything. I mean, it even gives us like holographic. Seems to be more often. Okay, halfway, and we at like what, 7, 8 hits. Will we get like 16, 17 hits today? That'd be epic. That'd be a lot of hits. It is just going to be very nice booster box. Every booster box will be a little bit different pulls. Okay, so what are we? 6, 7, 8. Okay, second half. Let's go. Let's get the Charizard, another one. Okay. Black border. Reverse and hollow. We'll take that. Okay, another black border. So we'll have a hit. Okay, reverse. Ooh, wow, we're getting all of the trainers. I think this is a better one too. Wow, we got 2 trainers full out. That's epic. Okay, is it the first pull in the second half? Okay, back to back. That'd be awesome. Nothing. Keep on going. Okay. Ooh, another pull, another trainer. Wow, we're gonna get the whole trainer collection. That is pretty amazing. I'll clean up my desk a little bit. I notice it's a little bit easier to keep organizing it. Okay. Wow, 3 full art trainers. Unbelievable. Pikachu, Charizard. Some awesome V cards. Ooh, Eevee too? Full art Eevee? Wow. I mean, that is an insane amount of pulls. What are we at, 10 now or more? Okay, so 6, 11 hits. And nowhere to be done. Today's just been fun. Okay, let's... I don't know. I don't think we get anything. I wanted to pick to see if we get back to back. Reverse, just a hollow. That's cool. That's a pile of hits for sure. Hopefully you guys enjoying the hits like in the middle of the table, so in case you skip through, you know what we keep getting. Okay, nothing this time. Keep on going. Okay. Still have a lot more packs to go through, and we are already at what? Let's see, 12 hits. Yeah, am I counting it correctly? Trying to do 2 things at a time. Yeah, 12 hits already. So maybe we'll have 14 hits today. Ooh, a shiny! Whimsicott, V-Star shiny. We'll take that. Nice. A good variety of hits for sure. Oh, looks like I'm making a mess. Like everything kind of falls apart now. Alright, keep on going. I'm not trying to film it all this one hit. No skipping, one hit wonders. Minimal editing. Reverse. Ooh, another hit back to back. I lost count. We'll just have to count at the end. What is it? 14 hits. So many more bucks to go to. This is a really lucky box out here, for sure. Okay. Come on, let's get Charizard, close it out really good. Hopefully it will be most pulls I ever get in one booster boxes. I think the most I ever got like 14. So if we get 15, it'll be my record. What is it? Looks like seven packs left. Okay. Keep on going. Okay. Reverse, nothing. Few more packs left. Looks like 4 left. Will we get one more hit? And then we count our total hits. Okay, after this pack, if we don't hit, I'll pick through to see what we might get. Ooh, nice. We got a hit. Grand Bull. Okay, we'll take it. That is a lot of pulls out here. Great variety too. Might have to do another box. Okay, back to back, let's go. Nice. So we have a really nice hit, this Vista. I think this is actually a really nice pull as well. I'll have to look it up. Cool. I'm just looking. Wow, full of epic hits today, and a better V's as well. Yeah, I might buy another Brilliant Stars booster box. Oh my gosh, back to back. That's awesome. Full art. Yeah, I'll be piece of cake. Oh, filling up the binder, collector's binder, you know. Okay, and the last card, last pack, I mean. Let's see what we get. Nothing. Wow, what a pile of epic hits right here. This is the better two hits for the V's, but look at all these V's. I mean, obviously Charizard as well. Then we have right here full arts. We got shiny trainers, VMAX 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 hits. It's the most pulls I ever did in one booster box. Amazing. Really happy about that.